Hi everyone, happy Valentine's Day. I am in my robe right now because I am getting ready to go out for Valentine's Day dinner with my husband. Valentine's Day is on a Monday this year, which is when I will be posting this video, but we're going out the Saturday before because I hate going out Valentine's Day evening. It just is so crowded. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you what I got for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna start first with what I kind of got for myself. And this really wasn't for Valentine's Day, but I'm so excited because my husband and I finally booked a vacation, a couples only, no kids allowed vacation. It's been at least since my youngest was born and he is 3. It's just way too long. We just need time to ourselves. So we booked a vacation to the Caribbean. I'm very excited. And I am very excited because I get to use this. I got something from LV and I will show it to you in a second. But first I wanted to show you what my essay sent me. I posted it on my Instagram, but I got the LV red envelopes this year. And it was so pretty. He even gift wrapped it in a larger box, which is very thoughtful. So I didn't get the huge VIP box. I did a whole video about red envelopes for Chinese New Year. And I just was like, okay, you know, that's fine. I didn't get it this year. But he sent it to me and I'm very excited. So here's the box and it's 2 envelopes this year, or 2 sets of envelopes, the gold and then the red. And I already kind of ripped this to show you, but this is the gold set of envelopes. I think there's 5. That's the back, and the red set. There you go. For those who are wondering what these are for, the red envelopes traditionally are given out to friends and family. You put money in them. It's for good luck and prosperity for the new year. Chinese New Year started, I believe, February 1st this year, and then it ends on the 14th, which is the day that this will be posted. So happy Lunar New Year, everyone who celebrates. Okay, so what I got is very exciting. I got this new bathing suit. It's this swimsuit from the Flight Mode collection. How cute is this? You guys know I love blue. I'm so excited. I haven't tried it on yet. So it is a one-piece swimsuit. I love the ombre gradient coloring. Very low back, very strappy straps. I believe this can wrap around the waist. But how cute. What I love about one-piece swimsuits is you can wear it almost as a bodysuit under jeans, you know, under pants. And I have a Fendi one-piece swimsuit that I do wear as a tank top, like a bodysuit tank top under shorts. It just looks so cute paired up and dressed up as an outfit. So swimsuit from LV from the Flight Mode collection that can also be worn as a bodysuit. Look how snatched that waist is. So very excited because I can finally use this on our vacation coming up. The other really cool thing about LV swimsuits is they come with these pouches. These travel pouches are meant to keep your swimsuit, and it's this kind of a PVC material in case, you know, your swimsuit is wet. But these are actually really cute. I have a couple of these now. These make really cute clutches or just organizers inside your larger tote bag. So another LV swimsuit pouch for my LV swimsuit. Now for Valentine's Day, we don't traditionally give each other huge gifts. He usually just gets me a card and chocolate and flowers. You know, we go out to dinner, I get him a card. But this year, he, I guess, thought that it was finally time to gift me what I've always wanted from Cartier. So I got my first jewelry item from Cartier right here. I also got the red envelopes, which I showed in my other video, so check it out if you want to take a look at it. But here it is, and I just will quickly show you what I got. Our essay was very thoughtful. She included some samples here of their fragrance. Here is the, what is this? Oh, the receipt. Oh, the certificate of authenticity, I guess, and then a little travel pouch. So I got this right here. Look how pretty, look at that really cool wax seal. And it's on both sides. Okay, so let me quickly open it. Oh, I don't even want to rip it. This is some fancy packaging. There is the seal. Oh, I'm sorry. You did such a great job. I don't want to rip it, but I have to. There it is, the box, and it opens like this. This pops open. That is so cool. I've never seen a Cartier box before. Okay, I guess you push this and so I got the Trinity ring Now, I've always liked this style because to me, each ring represents my sons. I have 3 boys. They look similar, but they also look very different. I feel like it's a running joke in our family because my 3 kids, I'll try to insert pictures here, each kid got progressively lighter in skin tone. And so the 3 different metals of the ring, the yellow gold, white gold, and then rose gold, I guess represent my 3 kids. So there it is. And I don't know what size I have. I'll put the information down below, but I wanted to wear it on my right hand ring finger. This is a great ring for people who fidget because you can literally move the ring up and down just so smoothly. It doesn't get caught. Oh, I love this ring. So pretty. And then each band can be engraved with their names. So at some point I can go in and do that and bring it back to the boutique. But quick Valentine's Day gift from my husband, my first piece of Cartier jewelry, the Trinity ring. So that was just a quick unboxing video of what I got for Valentine's Day. My LV flight mode swimsuit for our upcoming vacation, and then this gorgeous Trinity ring from Cartier to represent my 3 boys. I'm gonna go finish getting ready for dinner. Let me know what you guys got for Valentine's Day or what you guys did for Valentine's Day, how you celebrated with your loved ones. I hope you all had a wonderful Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.